Oh, hello everybody. My name is Jordan Johnston. I'm a recent graduate of LaSalle College, and happy whatever day it is that you're watching this video. I figured that I would surprise my wonderfulicious girlfriend with an easy to make and healthy to eat Valentine's Day dessert. You can microwave it, and it's made with peanut butter. And who doesn't like peanut butter? Naysayers, that's who. So the first step to chocolate peanut butter microwave mountain is we're going to take all of the dry ingredients, put them in your favorite #1 gigantic mug, and mix them together until thoroughly mixed. Now there are several ingredients which go into this. Some granulated sugar, some baking powder, some dried peanut butter, referred to as PB2, which can be difficult to find. If you can find it, you will use regular peanut butter and mix it in with the wet ingredients for the second step. Now, one good piece of the peanut butter puzzle is that it has a lot of protein in it. So I've mixed all the dry ingredients together, and now I've added the wet ingredients. Now the wet ingredients contain two components, which you can trade out if you would like. One is the coconut oil, which we have used. If you do not have access to coconut oil, you can always use vegetable, olive, or canola oil. And the recipe also calls for milk. In this instance, we've used almond milk to lower the calorie count. And this is already a very low calorie dessert, as is. And another ingredient is vanilla. So now we've put the mug in the microwave. And you're going to want to microwave it for 1 minute and 25 seconds. So in theory, after you're done microwaving it in the mug, it's supposed to plop out in a nice little cylinder. Instead, I made an absolute mess. So to cover up my mess, I'm going to add a little bit of whipped cream. That's what I call a happy Valentine's Day. Well, until next time, keep on cooking.